Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! I got my cell phone cake. Very pretty cell phone cake. Because I am a YouTuber, so my husband chose this for me. Because white tea, it's not allowed here in the US. It will be a CPR to decorate. So that's why this is pretty good to me. Thank you, hubby.
Well, let's happy end.
It's time to eat the cake. Or you want me to open the gate first? I got lechon, guys. Lami. That's pretty nice. Homemade card. This is pretty good. Love it. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna open my gift. This is from my grandson Anthony and Whitney. Yes. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Ed. We love you both.
What is it, Brips? Ducks?
I don't know. Let's see what it is.
Rat tail?
No, what it is. Let's see it. Wait. I don't know what it is. What it is? Oh, this blouse.
Cool.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to use. This is from my hubby. Thank you. I like that color too. Need royal blue. This is what is this? GoPro? What is this? Ay, the dust cam! Oh my god! I can use this for my driving dust cam. Thank you. Thank you, hubby. Love it. And then use this. Oh, cool. Dust cam for another blogging, add for my blogging. Thank you for all the support all the time. You're always there for me and makes my birthday special. Thank you. Without you,
You're so lucky you have such a good husband.
sorry guys, I'm just emotional. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you, sweetheart.
Love you too.